Well, ar an lína lum tá sulagam tá Hazel chun tá tú Hazel bhfuil tú go má?
Yeah, tá mai go má.
Ínta go fá gur mágad as Fáilteróid chun níor FM ar túisceart na carthach. Tá sibse ar leisceart na carthach nach bhfuil. Cá bhfuil sibh ar ire?
Tommy de Mbaile Armide.
Right. Idir like imil an bhaile nach
Yeah, nach tá just ag talk amach so an leis an Memorial Park nor tá talk amach an cahar Tommy just say ar sin table mit and
an Bóthair mar
the main Bóthair sin yeah.
Yeah, tá gael na lifa an freisin nach bhfuil an club CLG, yeah. Agus catar ar fáil, tá brickfast agus loan.
Yeah, Tommy do it's fair to breakfast, it's fair to let loan all Tommy just go to her tradition who's got a double club, so Tashi kind of on menu kinda rihan loss so it's like breakfast all who's got shin.
Good ass.
Fashion enemy Tommy again of pankoga done a couple shot the Maidir Aaron Loon Tommy situation.
Oh done Hauna, yeah, Kent.
Yeah, still under the posh Gary shin. So the premier fun with couple shocked and kinda who super page of again of shin Aaron Loon. Agus a cafe das a go impression o 3FE.
Oh, I know.
So sin an kain o the tusig mid leis na an cafe das sin a whole course shock up Mbaile Armide agus then tusig made in the breakfast. So tashi de lanas roi go ma anish Tommy donna go no hock.
And well, Anawa.
Yeah, so tashi go ma call, you know tashi and Tommy ag great letting so to Isagan Kain Schlegel check on over so to go ma shiny end of you know.
Agus been Dini gimmert on pitch and putt fresh and knock me and so yeah. Agus will loan or fall fresh and ta like
yeah so Yanni made kind of long bug now Tommy the can yen of like wraps so agus no actually it was like avocado toast new soup.
Okay.
Agus really mashing all yeah, so be touching you know, Nadine if I call talk to stock because it's fairly pricing an egg so of course stock out so to a garden breakfast yoga is like €2.
Oh come on.
Afraid of like you know Dini talk stock you know be me declare to like octan and fairly in my one will she rogan out hook because cup and tea for less impression so you know it's on this public so it's like a city council on Fergan so Neil ain't kind of overheads Morgan so it's fair to let say shin toward the rescue the Dini Canter.
Oh no what? Oh shin on slee, yeah. Oh no what
you know.
August like ta is fader ta na frastally ta gelga egg well nur vi mission vi gelga egg an vert colony vi on ta shin cabra.
Yeah, Targoni didn't egg now on the song Galga, so she may feign Renee, she and main barista, Sirka on Saffron, so Gokla on being didn't egg and being a Galga, and so Takudini trace talk the stock of we should occur cashing it on, caught us fade a low the yen of a risky counter lash and Galga, so we made a gear eat occur stock like Corco Kiorano, Rudy Exila, but Tashi kind of docker, obviously.
Well, no, they had the show,
you know, so Tashi Kutsu Susa Riso, so me, he's very late in a Korai Gadi. Alternate exil so shin an rud an street an fága us go mé Margaret Dean an tuach cúpla focal a leir agus féidir lei sin a raigadi rudi exil eile pe rudi sin you know
cad a harlog fan go vecimid tá sian so ar uscail gaclam ó luún go dtí an saharn
ó luún go dtí an saharn it's a tam an pitch and photos go to freshen an luún go dtí an saharn agus an cafe tá an cafe ó scoilta go dtí a dó agus tá an pitch and photos go to go dtí a cuaig
cai mé ran nor bhí mé an ní bheith is a go raibh tú sa carthar like tá an rá fecinn tú an fair agus na crín agus gacró tá sé go háin détá bheith faoin tú
it's exactly similar like Mar is reclaimed dump atá ann so fi sé like fe blina hen fi sé dump agor the council agus na rudi like Mavic sheets and I go over airate and just correct she got with the stocks and option so it's fair chin kind of example you know it's because it's fair like the end of flesh piece of you know like piece of land atá agus cut out it's fair like the end of one will to an auntie a whole gun or whatever machine so Captain go she shin and shlee like dollar rice a car mata piece of yoga land agus so you know would similar fashion
a vet glass agus tá ag taspáint chun gó beag le gailge chur a bon freisin sin rud aonach
mar bhí an dachar nar tain tú le nar cricní tú sús a school so cin si goí an bon school agus a man school agus nar cricní tú an mna bhfuil gailge eile it's just you know the talk nu le the card in a way rud é ní le gailge tail mit school so Muna learn to a Kylan to a sin of Harley Gandam Fain, you know, come again dul stock it is August Critis mode learn my ferdulum so August made me the nane a touch bonds but I do gary in a egg and a hog on stock the fergan of you know talking Nadini a mock touch the hog no alternate exula you know every I can't hear fod
yeah, maar tá long gel skull now so like well temple well one skull August man skull tá color Killian Neil check over on
yeah tan immune cherry talk she's so plastic killing me school cook my thing gadi so we make lair slow but August gwelskil in Chicago and who's the clone dock on I mean tan na long really great
so you know Tatus an art card, tá.
Yeah, come the Gary in a curly Kellogg's would I can similar Ellen na school na man school barely to sheets in a Gary na pashti a hogan sheets a tag of Gaelgis and Ortex August Margin Gaelga and so Shin would I can Ella similar baby to an onion of Fladinia Neil Aaron she Gaelga you know got class to school but
Neil Aaron
touch bond is fair like the end of table mate you know
is fader yeah is Shin yeah is fader Shin and Rodney Higgins sheet Captain of London adulty go rud of win is an Gaelga rud of winning a school of one like table with and school Neil Larry sheet I know big Shin so better an Idderflein new you know Blean Marchin a Hogal she yeah. I was better like you know just would I again a kind of hogan stock you know Martadini on the cafe Neil and Gaelgaku it's very like a cushion agus Shin would more at how much I going to gear yen of my you know Neil Che like no husband made Sue Bidini O'Neill and Gaelga agus Fedlam talk to stock like a course like, you know quite an opposite but we made a gear a masculine Kayla so you know when she's very like a cushion Shin would that's very like the yen of you know I know so big to ag ulfu don ihe hauna kaikis le dul ba fós lena pastry being a pastry
basically maybe the non rodegna yano from this fashion made and now rodegna more and all like you know baby nearly about Tommy only gary rodegna you know yano from like pastry exit the hogan to stock it's fairly a rodegna gamazalna hogan a history in a pastry on girls go she is expression so she go on a single that's the stock is a couple ruddy all a square you know Kente well gonari go gal lat agus tá súla go meg go meg na lein de gala a go leis on go dí seo go ihe anar ein comma anwa right go magad Hazel go magad slán leis slán tamil sinné record am rá bhí mé an mé hain agus cai mé rá go bhfuil sé go híntaach agus ní sé sér joid tú Will is at breakfast in New Loan or Einwood August Gaelga Kinte Café Glic now Neil Annam on Vóhar Sinnagum Tabronum but it's some pre-Vóhar idir in Shikor a Makadi Baile Armad so ní big to Calta agus tá fógur taibin we haven Vóhar ag rock howil sé so ní big ein you Calta on Shin